Hi my little nation, it's me Nalina Knives, and today I'm going to be testing out the Kat Von D 24-hour wear super brow pomade and also her signature brow pencil. Now I got these about 5 days ago from my local Sephora. Technically they're not supposed to be out until I think the end of this month. So I got mine about half a month early, but yeah, so shout out to people at Sephora. You guys are the real MVP. I was the first one to swatch these and first one to review them at the store. So opening it, there are some like testing marks, but today I'm going to show you guys how it wears on my brows since I barely have brows. I have itty bitty brows. And yeah, so this is the packaging. It's really, really nice. Surprise, surprise. Kat Von D always knocks packaging right out the park. She raises the bar every single time she comes out with a new product. And every single product I am super stoked to try. And as for the signature brow, this is what the packaging looks like. And these are both in the color graphite. And I really, really like the way these pencils feel. It isn't like super sturdy feeling. It's very, don't want to use the word cheap feeling, but this definitely feels like very, very light. Like I could easily break this. This is what it looks like though. There we go. And then you open the lid. This is very thin. It has like a, I'm not going to use the word weird, but the tip is a little differently shaped. And has, of course, a spoolie at the end. Yeah, I'd say this is definitely differently shaped than the Anastasia Brow Wiz pencils. So I am super, super excited to try both. I'm going to try one side with the pencil and then one side with the pomade, so you guys can see both. And I'm excited to do this. I really am. I've been waiting so long for these to hit stores, and they're still not in stores. I want to get all the colors if this turns out to be amazing. So enough talking. Let's get the drawing. Perhaps I didn't put enough on my brush to it lightly. It kind of have like a mousse-like texture to it. I know it is a pomade, but it's very soft and like velvety almost. It's quite nice. Now, honestly, I'm not one for natural looks, so I'm not going to try drawing like hair strokes or anything like that. So if you're looking for that, it's not the video. My brows are not natural. Alright, my camera doesn't zoom in, but I've noticed that there's like a tiny patch right here that it's not going over. Like no product is sticking to that part of my brow for some reason. And if I'm going over it, it seems to actually be picking up some product, which is a no-go. Very disappointed. I feel like I have my eyebrow way in the middle of my nose. Hold on. That's a little better. Okay, so this looks so weird just having one eyebrow. You know, I'm so used to it, but in camera it looks odd. Okay, so okay, it's just a little bald spot, but nothing major. Nothing major. So you see there's just a little emptiness, but nothing major. It just looks like a light gray, not as dark as the rest of the brow, but not bad, not bad. I could totally, I can see myself reaching for this like every day. Now, time for the pencil side. Okay, this is not like a kohl eyeliner at all. Some eyeliners seem to be like really smooth and soft. I wouldn't necessarily call this soft, but it's not hard either. I feel like she got the hardness just right. It like, I don't know if I want to use the word adheres, but definitely like grips the skin a little bit. And it makes sure the color is sticking on there, which is what we want. Especially people like me with very little brows or no brows, I definitely already would recommend this. This is excellent. Okay, so here is what the brow side looks like. Now, as you can tell, this side is a lot lighter than this side. I really like the dark brows, but I do have to say this is a very, 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 very good brow product. I really like the way that it gripped my skin. It kind of, like I keep saying gripped. All right, hold on. Have to get my thoughts together. It's so good. I don't know what to say. It's, I guess, technically like a natural brow look that you're definitely gonna get with this. And I'm all for like supernatural things. I love everyone who just got my reference right there. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys up close what everything looks like. So here's what the pencil looks like. Compared to the pomade. Pomade, pencil. Alright, so which side do you guys like the best? I kind of like both. I feel like my normal routine is going to become doing it with the pencil and then darkening it with the pomade. So we're going to try that. Okay, weird thing, it's actually starting to do the same thing. It's just right here on the inner corner of my eyebrow. Yeah, it's kind of just a little patchy. But definitely not returning these at all. I really, really like them. And plus, I think if I return these, the person that sold this to me might get in trouble for giving it to me like a lot earlier. Because these, like I said, aren't even on display. So if I'm trying to return something that isn't on display, you know, it's a bit crazy. Overall thoughts. I really, really like both these products a lot. And do I recommend them? Yes. These have so many different colors coming out. They have an aubergine, like kind of like a purple, like a mauve purple, I guess. They have blues, they have pinks, different shades of browns. I know the taupe one is pretty much, I guess, quote unquote universal. They have bleached out brows, like white stuff that you put on your brows. Like a white pomade, and just say white stuff. Ugh, poor word choice. But, you know, Kat Von D always comes out with the most amazing products. I don't think there's one product by Kat Von D I did not like. So keep it up. Keep it up. I will definitely be buying more. So that's my review, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. And stick around to see me do my makeup. Okay? Like and subscribe, please. Bye.